everyone. Thank you so much for joining in today. This is the third session of the 6-week-long series, Crunching Cancer. I am Jenny Spencer and I'm from Fight the Fatigue, and we are going through different exercises each week that you can do to incorporate into your exercise program. So first week, we talked about warm-up and cool-down exercises. Last week, we talked about cardio exercises and we did some together. And then this week, we are going to do upper body exercises together. So I want you to grab canned goods, free weights, or you can also do these exercises without any weights. So based on where your functional level is, there are variations that we can do. You can do these exercises sitting in a chair, or you can do these exercises standing. For the sake of time, I will be demonstrating them sitting in the chair. So grab your water, grab some weights of any kind or no weights, and we are gonna get started. All right, so with the beginning of every workout, you should do some type of warm-up exercise. Because we're gonna be doing the upper body, we're just gonna do some shoulder rolls together to start. Good. And just some exercises, just so we can get these muscles moving, these joints lubricated. Good. Warm-up exercises always help with decreasing your risk for injury and just letting your body know that, okay, we're about to move, we're getting active. But now let's do some shoulder shrugs. So bring your shoulders up to your ears and then down your spine. Up to your ears, down your spine. Good, keep going. We're breathing. You feel like, feels good to move your neck to the side when you're doing these? Feel free to do that. Good. We're breathing. Now we're going to practice something called shoulder packing. So a lot of times, posture-wise, we have deviations where we're rounded shoulder and your shoulders are up towards your ears, and that's actually not the right position that they're supposed to be in. So we are going to actively think about bringing our shoulders back and down. And essentially, if you squeeze your shoulders together, your shoulder blades, like you're having like a little coin stuck right here, and you're trying to hold it together with your shoulder blades, that will bring your shoulders back and down. Good, so let's just practice bringing them back and down. Back and down, good. Squeezing them together. Squeeze, hold, 1, 2. Good. Squeeze, hold, 1, 2. Good. Squeeze, hold, 1, 2. Good. And one more time. 1, 2. Good. Before you do these exercises that we're going to do, I want you to just think in your mind, okay, I'm starting with my shoulders back and down when I perform this movement versus up like this. So back and down, okay. All right, first one of the day. We're going to do chest presses. Okay, so you're sitting in your chair or you're standing up. When you're sitting in your chair, I want you to come back down. Your back's going to be right at the top of the chair. Your feet are flat on the ground. Your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. You're holding your weights or your canned goods, and you are pushing forward so that the canned goods or weights are almost touching, and then coming back. Good. Push forward and come back. Push forward. Good. Breathing in. Breathing out. Good. Again, you don't have to do these with weights. You can do these just with just the movement. Good. Push and back to center. Let's do 2 more. And back to center. Good. Now we're coming back up to a seated position with your back up, and we are going to bring the weights to our sides, next to our feet or our legs. Raise them up. I don't want you to bring your arm higher than shoulder level. So you're raising your arms up, bringing them down. Good. Raise your arms up, bring them down. And remember, our shoulders are in that back and down or packed position. You're not doing them like this. Good. So bring them up, shoulder height, and down. Up, down. Good. 2 more. Down, up, and down. Good. Take a little break. Release any tension that we have. Release our arms. Take a sip of water if you need it. And we're going to go into lateral raises next. So we're going to have our weights by our sides. Our wrists are pointed inwards towards our body. And we're bringing our arms out to the side and back down. Out, back down. Remember that you're not going higher than shoulder level for this. I want you just shoulder level and down. Good. Up and down. Up. Good. You do these without weights or with your canned goods, whichever you feel most comfortable. Good. A lot of times our shoulders, so this is a shoulder exercise, is not as strong as, say, like our bicep muscles. So you may be using a different weight depending on you and your functional status. Good. All right, now we're going to work our triceps. So we're taking one at a time, put one hand down and one right down, bringing our elbow right next to our head here, straight up. We're starting up in this position and bringing our canned good down and then pushing up to the top. So gravity is helping us bring that down, and we're using our muscles to push the weight up. So we're pushing up and we're slowly coming down. Pushing up, slowly down. Good. Pushing up, slowly down. Good. Slowly down. Trying to keep that elbow right kind of in line with your ear when you're doing this exercise. Good. And you're really feeling it. You're activating that tricep muscle when you push up. Good. Release. Let's do the other side. We got our weight in our left hand now. Elbows bent close to be in line with our ear, into our body, or close to our body, and we are pushing the can up again. So bringing it down behind us and pushing up. Good. Remember that gravity is helping bring that can down. So you want to go slow down and you're pushing up, activating that tricep muscle. Good. Push up. Good. Push up. Slow down. I want you to give me 2 more. Push up. Slow down. Push up. Slow down. Good. Release. Wiggle it out. Take a sip of water. And our last exercise is going to be a bicep curl. So we're going to grab the weights, both of them. We're going to do these together. So elbows are in close to our body. We have a slight bend in our elbow in the down position. And we are bringing the hand goods or weights up towards our shoulders, releasing down. Pulling them up and slowly coming down. Good. So pull up. 1, 2, down. Make sure you're breathing. Up. 1, 2, down. up, 1, 2, down, good, up, 1, 2, down, good, 2, down, give me 2 more, 1, 2, down, last one, 1, 2, down. Great, we're gonna do that all again. I want you to grab some water if you need it, and we're gonna start with that chest press. If you remember, we did it in the beginning. So let's take a couple breaths. One more. All right, starting from the top. Grab those weights, canned goods. We're leaning down in our chair and we're pushing those cans up in front of us. Bringing them back. Remember, our arms are at a 90-degree angle to start. Good. Push and back. Make sure they're breathing. Push and back. Good. Push, back, push. Good. One more. Good. All right, now we're going to go shoulder raises. So to start with the front one, wrists are pointing backwards, bringing them up, right about shoulder level and down. Up, good, down. Make sure you're breathing, down. Down, good. Down, good. If you feel like the weight that you used for that chest press was too much, just do these without any weight. Again, remember your shoulders sometimes aren't as strong as your biceps or say chest muscles. Good. Now let's come out to the side. Lateral raises up. Good. Up. 1, 2, down. Use our muscles to raise them up. 1, 2, down. You're coming down a little bit slower because you're fighting that gravity, that gravitation pull that wants to just bring them right down real quick. So your muscles are actually actively working as you come slowly down. Good. You are keeping control of the movement. Good. And down. All right, now let's do that tricep extension. So we're doing one at a time. Remember, our elbow is pretty much in line with our ear here, close to our head. And we are pushing up, fighting that gravity force that's pulling it down. Push up and down. Up, 1, 2, down, good. 1, 2, down, push up, 1, 2, down, good. 1, 2, down, push, 1, 2, down, and one more, push, 1, 2, down. Okay, let's switch sides. We got our weight in our left hand now. Elbow is pretty in line with our ear, close to our head, and we are pushing up. 1, 2, down, push up. 1, 2, down, push. 1, 2, down, good. You're almost there. Push. 2, down, push. 1, 2, down. One more. 1, 2, down. Good. Grab that other weight. Doing these bicep curls. Bring them up towards your shoulders. Slow down. Remember, you're in control of that movement as they're going down. You're not letting gravity overtake your movement. You're always in control. Good. Up. 1, 2, down. Good. 1, 2, down. Good, guys. We're almost there. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. One more. Down. Awesome. So now remember, we worked our upper body, we warmed it up a little. We should cool it down too, so we should do some stretches. So let's bring our hands together, push our palms out, stretch our shoulder muscles. Breathe in for a count of 4, and out. Good. And out. Breathe in and out. Now let's take our hands behind us. Push our hands back towards the wall. Open up that chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Good. Now we can bring our arm across our chest with our right hand across, left hand helping with that movement so you feel that nice stretch. I don't want you to have your hand over your elbow joint. And then let's look to the right side. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And out. Good. Now let's switch sides. Left hand over, right hand is helping with that pull. Looking to our left. Breathe in and out. Again. And out. Breathe in and out. All right. You guys did an awesome job today. I am so thankful you were here with me, and I can't wait for next week. We're going to be doing our lower body. So we're going to focus on our lower body, and I will plan to see you there. Same time, same place.